Good afternoon, friends. I am Elilasan Venkatachalam. Today I am going to talk a few sentences about my pet parrots. They are actually called parakeets. It is an hybrid pair created at Australia. So I have about 7 young birds here. Three of them are white. Out of those three, the two white that you see, one on the pot and another on the stick, is about 3 years old. Then we have two yellow birds. The one in the bottom is the older one, the young on the top. The one on the top is younger. Then this black one is also the youngest bird in this cage. This bird, a lady bird, which I have named as Greenland, is about 90 days old. The yellow one is about 60 days old, and this black is also 60 days old. There is one inside the pot. Now the birds are a little bit scared on seeing this camera moving. Thank you.